This is such a joke. I was here taking pictures when I first arrived at that end there. If not because I needed the information counter and the guy at the train station information counter asked me to turn right, I would have exited this way. Never mind. Things happen for the better. I'm happy with what I have seen. Though I have seen less interesting things in the beginning and more interesting things in a hurry towards the end. This is a tobacconist. Sainsbury local. A lot of food here.
Once again, service is set to depart Leeds approximately 18:55. On behalf of Transport Express, I'd like to apologise for inconveniences caused your journey or further journeys this evening.
Pennine Express service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Huddersfield, Slough, Marsden, Greenfield, Mossley, Staley Bridge and Manchester Piccadilly. The next stop will be Huddersfield.
Claim delay repay compensation if you've been delayed by over 15 minutes. Please visit tpexpress.co.uk to find out how to claim or pick up a form at a station.
What are you planning on? Yeah, I've had plans. That's what I'm going to do.
So they say they don't do forms anymore. I just have to go online for the Transpennine, which is this word here. Delay to repay. I am not sure how much we will get the refund and is it worth the trouble. I paid £20.80 for to and fro Leeds. And I am very glad to see that Marks & Spencer's is back. Yeah, and other supporter of this company. It was shut down quite a while ago, and also another one at the tram station was closed, so I was a little concerned, and there was a message saying that only the one at Marketplace is open. So I'm glad this one is back at least.